So now we see the first question. The speed limit on Federal Highway is 110 km per hour. Convert the speed to meter per second. So now to convert the unit, first write the question. 110 km per 1 hour. 1 hour. So now if we have to change it to meter per second, so means that from kilometer to meter, you need to multiply or divide? Multiply by? Okay, 1000. So 110 kilometer multiplied by 1000. Now we write in meter. From hour to second? Okay, from hour to minute multiply by 60. From minute to second multiply again by 60. Okay, now calculate. So now we have okay, now calculate using your calculator. 1100 divided by 36. Give in 30.556. Okay, so 30.56 meter per second. Jangan semangat sangat, kita bunda kan. Kita bunda. So 30.56 meter per second. For this question, okay, right now I write here 110 kilometer per 1 hour. So when we want to change it to kilometer per minute, means that this one you don't need to change. Okay, 110 kilometer. So 1 hour equal to how many minutes? Okay, 1 multiplied by 60. So I write here 60 minutes. Okay, now divide. 11 over 16. 6. So equal to 1.84 kilometer per 1.8. Okay, 1.83 kilometer per minute. Okay, per minute. Okay, just